slyly snickered as he made look foolish with a routine throw. Instead, no home runs, 1 RBI. A 2-1 offering on the way. Slap foul out of play as he was runs, 29 earned on 44 hits. Strikeout to walk ratio 2-2 on the way to Cole. Blew a slider past him. Strike 6'6", 260 out of Baltimore, Maryland. You know, the Ravens are playing tonight. They've already injured Anthony Richardson of the Colts. Alex McCoy on ball for a sac fly. Turned out to be the game winner. Here's a fly ball jacked to left field. Cole turns, watches, gonna hit off the fence as he misplayed that. It will hit off the base of the wall. A little too much momentum as Carrington Cross fielded for Coe. Elkins goes. Pitch on the way is low for ball. Throw down to second base, not in time. Field will come in potentially for a play at the plate. Coe, the pitch, fouled back to the screen. He had just 5 hits despite the win on Tuesday, so you got to capitalize. 2 offering on the way to the left-handed. Hitting Coe is just inside. That did. Right-handers 2-2. Got him swinging. That one fell right off the table.
And for listening to tonight's broadcast on the Quakes Radio Network.
First pitch swinging, Alex McCoy gonna take third base on a ground ball down the left field line. That left fielder Chink being able to qualify to come back and play in the same league as you did the year before. And in soccer, the White Sox would have been demoted to Serie B. And the Rockies this year. Pitch on the way, outside corner, who will most likely be named California League. There's a lot of hits left still in that 46 jersey. Here's a ground ball chopped up the middle quite slowly. The second baseman, Grego, fires to first. VPs. What about it? Anyways, I digress. Pitch to Coe, misses down low. The 1-0 coming home now. Fastball just out. 2-0 to Coe. Low ball 3-0 on the way. Coe takes out. It's across the heart of the plate. 3-1 on the way. Coe with a fly ball into left field. Long run for Malecki. He's going to get there. He'll make the grab. And the side right-handed hitting Alex McCoy. Smashed through the hole on the left side. A base hit. This guy, 3 for 4 tonight. And